In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the cart from your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to disable e-commerce features or simply streamline your site's user interface, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Go to the Squarespace site and enter your login details. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the option that says Website and click on it. This section is where we can begin making our necessary changes. Next, we're going to navigate to the Pages section. By clicking on Pages, you'll see a list of all the individual pages on your site. This is a crucial section, as it allows you to control and customize the navigation and visibility of your site's content. In the list of your site's pages, find and click on Shop. This page is typically the heart of your online store, hosting all your products and the cart we intend to remove. Accessing this section will give us more control over how your shop page functions. Once you're in the Shop section, look for and click on Custom Code. Now, don't be intimidated by the mention of code. This step is essential as it lets you insert specific scripts to control the layout and visibility features on your site, including the cart functionality. After entering the Custom Code area, you're going to want to dive into the area labeled Custom CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language we use to tell your website how to look. In this case, telling it to hide the cart from public view. Now, it's time to type your custom CSS code. This code will instruct your Squarespace site to hide the cart icon or cart section. If you're already familiar with the CSS you need, simply paste it in there. If not, make sure to consult or seek professional advice to ensure it's the right and safe code for your needs. After adding your CSS code, head over to Custom Files. Clicking here allows you to manage any uploaded styles or scripts that integrate with your site. Although you won't be using an uploaded file in this particular task, it's good to know where these options are. Finally, remember to save your changes. You'll find a Save button within this section, and it's crucial to click it to ensure all your modifications are implemented. Without saving, changes could be lost, meaning you'd have to repeat the process. By following these steps, you'll successfully remove the cart from your Squarespace website. This alteration can help present a more streamlined user experience or refocus your site's purpose away from e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.